Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 5.2. How would you rewrite Euclid's fifth postulate so that it would be easier to understand? How would you rewrite Euclid's fifth postulate so that it would be easier to understand? So we can write in a way of this one. For every line L, for every line L, I will draw the diagram also, and for every point P not on L, these is a unique line N. Unique line L. Sorry, N through P. Through P, which is parallel to L. Which is parallel to L. There can be other statement also. Other statement also. So diagram see that is, this is the L line and then parallel of this is N and P on that point. Right it? Second question. Does Euclid's fifth postulate imply the existence of parallel line? Explain. That here is also a statement type of thing. If a line straight line L falls on to straight lines M and N such that some of the interior angle means you know that interior angles on one side of L is two right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. Two right angles, then Euclid's fifth postulate let that line the line will not meet on this side of L, on this side of L. Write it. And then also you can see that next you know that the sum of interior angle on the other side of line L will also be 2 right angle, like this. Sum of these angle will be 2 right angle. It means 180 degree. There they will not meet on the other side. So the line M and N never meet and are therefore parallel. So that will be parallel. Okay.